Welcome back to another vlog, and today we're going to be posting a video that is crazy. We're going to take pictures of my sister and my dad sleeping. Let's start with my dad. No, let's start with my sister. Yeah, dad. Okay, so here he is with a fat buffalo right there. Okay, let's go back on, and then let's do a vlog. I got you in that. Okay, vlog posted, and there's a special deal. We need to talk about something. We haven't reached 1.1k videos on our dog video. What does that mean? What does that mean? Everyone, like and subscribe, and comment on this. Better no pin me, beggars. I'm not gonna pin you if you beg. It needs to be a good comment so I can pin you. Okay, bye.